Imagine a world where a president imposes tariffs using emergency powers. This scenario has played out with President Donald Trump. Recently, a federal appeals court ruled his tariffs unlawful. The judges stated Trump overstepped his power, violating the separation of powers in the Constitution. They emphasized that imposing taxes is a core congressional power. The court's decision upheld a lower ruling against Trump's tariffs, but allowed them to stay for now. This delay gives the Trump administration time to appeal to the Supreme Court. Trump responded on social media, insisting that if tariffs were eliminated, it could lead to disaster. His tariffs have reshaped global trade and impacted alliances. They're a significant part of his economic strategy. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent indicated negotiations with trading partners would conclude by Labor Day. However, legal uncertainties now make this timeline doubtful. He warned that suspending tariffs could lead to diplomatic embarrassment and jeopardize ongoing negotiations. Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick echoed these concerns. He stated a ruling against the tariffs would cause irreparable harm to the U.S. and could destabilize existing trade agreements. This includes frameworks with the EU, UK, and Japan. An attorney representing the plaintiffs celebrated the ruling, stating it limits presidential powers. Neil Katyal argued that significant decisions on taxation should be made by Congress. The judge's vote was 7-4 against Trump's claims of vast authority. The White House defended Trump's tariff actions, asserting they were lawful. A spokesman, Kush Desai, stated tariffs remain effective, hoping for a victory in the ongoing legal battle. The Attorney General expressed intent to appeal. The appeals court concluded that Congress did not grant the president broad authority under the International Emergency Economic Powers Act, IEEPA, for such tariffs. Notably, the term tariff wasn't included when drafting the IEEPA. The disparate opinions within the court reflect ongoing debates about emergency powers. Dissenting judges believe Trump had some authority to impose the tariffs based on the history of IEEPA. The court did not block the tariffs outright, but sent cases back to lower courts for further review. A prior ruling indicated Trump lacked authority to impose such sweeping tariffs. This sets the stage for an ongoing legal fight over important economic policies. The outcome could significantly affect manufacturing, small businesses, and consumer prices. The legal implications of this situation are complex and evolving rapidly. Stay tuned as this pivotal story develops.